Every man dreams of a better life, but not every man is willing to build it. You see her walking on the beach, confident, elegant, moving with purpose, moving like she knows her value, moving like she won't settle for anything less than greatness. She's not waiting for a boy, she's not impressed by excuses, she's not moved by empty promises, she's not interested in potential without action. She wants a man who shows up, a man who stands tall, a man who leads himself first. She respects discipline. She respects ambition. She respects a man who stands on something real, a man who doesn't fold under pressure, a man who doesn't run from responsibility. You want a life filled with beauty, peace, and power. Earn it. Become the man who commands respect without saying a word. The man who wakes up early. The man who works when he's tired. The man who keeps going when everyone else quits. The man who refuses to break. The man who refuses to settle. Because the world doesn't give you what you want. It gives you what you fight for. It gives you what you prove you deserve. It gives you what you're willing to sacrifice for. Stop chasing distractions. Stop chasing validation. Stop chasing people who don't value you. Focus on your mission. Focus on your growth. Focus on your discipline. Focus on the man you're becoming. Build your body, build your money, build your mind, build your standards, build your confidence through action. Build a life that reflects your effort. Become the man who doesn't need to chase, because he's too focused on leveling up, too focused on becoming stronger, too focused on becoming sharper, too focused on becoming the best version of himself. And when you rise, when you become disciplined, when you become consistent, when you become unstoppable, everything changes. The right people will notice. The right opportunities will appear. The right doors will open. And the right woman will respect the man you've become. Not because you chased her, not because you begged for attention, but because you built yourself, because you earned your confidence, because you created a life worth sharing. So stand up, lock in, cut the noise, cut the excuses, cut the weakness. This is your time. This is your moment. This is your chance to rise. Become the man who leads. Become the man who inspires. Become the man who never quits. Become the man she respects. Become the man you were meant to be.